Okay, so now we're going to move on to the next step, which is also solving the equations using algebra, but they're going to look different. Okay, so let me find the first example I have here. Okay, so you've got 3, then x plus 4 equals 2, and 1 take x. Okay, so what you really have to do is expand your brackets first of all. So you remember how you've done this before. You went 3 times x, so you went 3x. And then you did 3 times 4 plus 12. Remember that? Equals 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times negative x is negative 2x. Okay? Now you've got the same as you did before. So now what do we need to get rid of? We need to get rid of that. Okay, so in order to do that, we've got, so we say negative 2x, so we say plus 2x, and over here we say plus 2x. So on our next line, we've got 5x plus 12 is equal to 2 because we've eradicated that one. All right, now we have to eradicate the 12. So we say, okay, plus 12, we go minus 12, and we go minus 12 there. And we go 5x, and we don't have to worry about that because we've eradicated it. 2 take 12, well, that will go into the negatives, will be negative 10. So now we've got 5x take 10. So we divide that by 5, and we divide that by 5. Let's move it up a little bit. And that will give us that, and that crosses out, so that gives us x. And negative 10 divided by 5 gives us negative 2. And that's our answer. Okay, I want to show you another one because it just gets slightly more complicated, of course. And I had that one in my book. Okay, so we're going to go 4, 3x, take 2, equals 3, 2x plus 9. Whoops. Okay, so we've got to go 4 times 3x, so that gives us 12x. Then we go 4 times negative 2 gives us negative 8. Equals 3 times 2x gives us 6x. 3 times 9 gives us plus 27. Okay, all happy to that point? What do we have to eradicate? We have to get rid of him. Okay, so we go plus, do it in pink, I like this pink. Plus, that is plus, so we go minus 6x, and we go minus 6x over here. So we go 12 minus 6 gives you 6x, take 8 is equal to, that's eradicated, 27. So now we want to get rid of our negative 8, so we go negative 8 plus 8, and we go plus 8 on this side. So we go 6x is equal to 27 plus 8 gives you 35. Now, if you have a look, if we divide that by 6 and that by 6, that's going to be great because we can chop those off. X just becomes x. But what do we do there? Well, we can't do anything. So our answer is 35 over 6. We just leave it as that. So that's what I wanted to show you, that sometimes it doesn't work out. All right, so that's part A. Part B is when you get something that looks like this. Let me find my example. Okay, so something that looks like this, we're going to go. So we've got 3x plus 4 divided by 2 equals 2x take 1 divided by 5. Okay, first thing you got to do is get your lowest common multiple. So something that both of them go equally into. First thing I can think of is 10. So you write your 10 there and you put your 10 there. Okay. Now, what you do is you then look just at this one here. Okay. And you say, right, because that it's actually 10 times and that one is 10 times. Okay. So we say, well, can we bring that 10 and that 2 down? Yes, we can, because 2 goes in there once and 2 goes in there 5. Now we look at this side and we say, can we bring that one down? Well, 5 goes into 5 once and 5 goes into 10 twice. Right, so now on our next line, we're actually going to go 5 in brackets, 3x plus 4. Did you see where I got that from? Up here. And then we go equals, is when we put 2 in brackets, 2x take 1. And then we continue as normal. So what was normal? Normal was 5 times 3 gives me 15x. 5 times 4 gives me 20 is equal to 2 times 2 is 4x. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. Okay? And then what do we have to get rid of? We have to get rid of him. He's a positive 4x, so we say minus 4x minus 4x. So 15x minus 4x gives us 11x plus 20, which is equal to negative 2. Move it up a little bit, and so we say, well, now we want to get rid of this guy, so he's plus 20, so we say negative 20, take 20, so we've got rid of him. And then we go 11x is equal to negative 2, take 20, so that's negative 22. Divide by 11, let's just bring it up a little bit, and that gives us x, and this one gives us negative 2. Cool. Want to show you just one more, just to, all that go up please, just to show you something different. Which one was it? Was this one? Okay, so this one, we're going to go 2x plus 3 over 3 is equal to 4x take 1 over 1. Okay, so first thing we've got to do, we've got to find our lowest, oh, that wasn't 1, that was 5, I'm sorry, that was a 5. Okay, lowest, oh my gosh, I can't talk, it's very late at night, and that's why I can't talk. But we're actually going to be looking for our lowest common denominator. So of this, it's 15. So we put 15 there, and we put 15. We're actually timesing it. So what we do is we say, well, can we make it any smaller? Yes, 3 goes into 3 once, 3 goes into 15 5 times, 5 goes in there once, 5 goes into 15 3 times. So you bring that down. So now you've got 5, 2x plus 3, which is equal to 3, and 4x take 1. Okay, let's move it up a little bit. Right, so now we do our normal stuff. 5 times 2x gives you 10x. 5 times 3 gives you 15. Equals 3 times 4 gives you 12x. 3 times negative 1 gives you negative 3. Okay, now we need to get rid of him. So he's 12x, we go minus 12x. Now I've seen what we have to do. Can you see that 12 is bigger than 10? So in this one, we have to move them around. So let's go, before I carry on doing that, we go 12x, take 3. So can you see that I've moved him there? Is equal to 10x plus 15. Now I can carry on. Right, so we want to get rid of our 10x, so we go minus 10x minus 10x. And actually, I have been doing these in different colors. It just like really stands out for me. So 12x minus 10x gives me 2x, take 3. I've eradicated that, so I've just got 15. So now we carry on. Let me move this up a little bit more. And we've got 2x take 3. Oh, we want to get rid of our negative 3. So we say plus 3 plus 3. So we've got rid of them. So we say 2x is equal to 15 plus 3 gives you 18 divided by 2. And that gives us x. 18 divided by 2 is 9. And x is equal to 9. Right, so copy down some notes. I want you to go ahead now and complete number 2, and then I'll carry on and help you with how to do number 3.